This next exercise is the diagonal wood chop. It creates core strength and flexibility while also getting the heart rate up and engaging all the arms and leg muscles. You're going to need a medicine ball. Again, start with a moderate weight medicine ball. You can always increase as you get stronger. Each side, you want to perform exercises from 10 to 15 repetitions, and then make sure that you do it both directions. This is the diagonal wood chop. As you go down, you want to pivot onto the toe, and then you're going to go up diagonally across the body, and again, pivot, opposite leg, rotating the torso, and again, coming down and up. Make sure you perform the exercise on both sides and increase speed as you get stronger.